You guys, welcome back. Today I'm making Kanom Tian, a fragrant glutinous dumpling dessert with a sweet coconut filling, steamed in banana leaves. When I was a child, I'd watch my grandmother make these with all sorts of fillings, both sweet and savory. Her home would be filled with the scent of sweet banana leaves steaming. I wasn't always a fan of Kanom Tian, but now that I'm all grown up, I appreciate it even more because it reminds me of her and how neatly she wrapped them. We'll need 2 different size sheets of banana leaves, a larger one and a smaller circular one. To prepare the larger sheet, fold 8-inch banana sheet leaves in half and cut the edges like this to create an oval shape. For the smaller sheet, use a bowl smaller than the width of the larger sheet as a guide to cut out a circle. Kanom Tian is usually prepared during important holidays like Lunar New Year and Songkran. It's considered an auspicious kind of food and can be given as offerings during these holidays. Heat up some water on medium heat. We'll need some palm sugar that I shaved down from a block. Salt to add complexity to the sweetness. Young shredded coconut meat. And allow this to cook together, stirring occasionally until the filling becomes thick and sticky and the liquid is gone. Allow it to cool down completely. To make the dough, we'll need glutinous rice flour, sugar, and coconut milk. Start with 1.5 cups, gradually mixing it in, and then a few extra tablespoons little by little to prevent oversaturating the dough, which can happen very easily. The amount of extra tablespoons will vary for you, so take your time adding and mixing each additional tablespoon in. Eventually, the dough won't stick to your fingers and will smooth out like this, and smells fragrant from the coconut milk. Form the dough into little balls. Do the same for the filling, but a bit smaller than the dough balls. Gloves or lightly oiling your hands helps making rolling easier. with a bit of vegetable oil. We'll use this to coat the dumplings to prevent them from sticking to the banana leaves. Lightly oil your hands. Take a dough ball and flatten it out thinly like this. Add a ball of filling. Close it up. Roll it into a small dumpling. And roll it around in the oil. Repeat. I'm showing you two similar ways to wrap Kanom Tian. Place the smaller sheet in the middle of the larger sheet, dull side of the banana leaves touching each other, and the grains perpendicular to each other. This will make the wrap stronger and less likely to tear. Fold an edge inwards to create this cone shape. Add a dumpling into the cone. Fold the edges towards the middle to create this diamond shape. Press the dumpling into the cone lightly so that it can take on the shape. Fold the flap inwards, and you have this full pagoda shape. The second way is similar, but the result is a flatter shape, which helps me fit more into my small steamer. Place the smaller sheet onto the larger sheet, offset slightly towards the bottom, dull side of the banana leaves touching each other, the grains perpendicular to each other. Fold an edge inwards to create this cone shape. Add a dumpling into the cone. Fold this lip of the cone inwards and press the dumpling down so it can take the shape of the cone. Fold the sides over, which will create a pocket. Fold this pointy flap here and tuck it into the pocket. Let's see that again. Steam these for about 30 minutes on medium heat. Here we have it, Kanom Tian. Let's open one up. It smells so fragrant from the banana leaves and the coconut. The dough is soft and glutinous. The filling is aromatic, smooth sweetness, and textural from the coconut meat. I hope you enjoyed this treat. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.